Hyper-V is Microsoft's hardware virtualization product. It lets you create and run a software version of a computer, called a virtual machine. Each virtual machine acts like a complete computer, running an operating system and programs. When you need computing resources, virtual machines give you more flexibility, help save time and money, and are a more efficient way to use hardware than just running one operating system on physical hardware. In today's video, we will learn how to enable Hyper-V in Windows 11, then create and run virtual machines on Windows. Before starting the tutorial, you are requested to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. First, you have to confirm your PC is capable of running Hyper-V. First of all, ensure virtualization support is enabled in BIOS. Your PC must be running a Pro or Enterprise version of Windows 10 or 11. Windows Home does not include Hyper-V support. Hyper-V requires 64-bit architecture. If you're running the 32-bit architecture, you are out of luck. Finally, you need enough physical hardware to devote to your virtual machine. At least 4 GB of installed RAM is required, but I recommend 8 or 16 GB for any kind of serious work with Hyper-V. You also need enough unused local storage to hold a full installation of Windows, apps, and checkpoints. 32 GB should be sufficient. Go to Control Panel. Go to Programs. Go to Programs and Features. On the left pane, click on Turn Windows Features on and off. Windows will pop up. Click on Hyper-V checkbox. Make sure both the options under Hyper-V are checked. Hyper-V is being turned on. Please wait. You have to restart the Windows to apply changes. Windows has been successfully restarted. Let's check Hyper-V application is appeared in Start or not. Here you go. Click on Hyper-V Manager. Here you can create multiple virtual machines under the host. Let's create a new virtual machine. Click on the host on the left side. Now on the right side click on the New, then Virtual Machine. The wizard will be initiated. Click Next. Enter the name of the virtual machine. You can store the virtual machine on a different location, like D drive. Click Next. Here you can select the generation. Generation 1 supports 32 bits and 64-bit guest operating systems, and provides virtual hardware which has been available on all previous versions of Hyper-V. Whereas Generation 2 supports 64 bits guest operating systems only. Select Generation and click Next. Here you can enter the startup memory. Use dynamic support for the virtual machine. That will not reserve the memory. It will use the memory that is required to run the OS up to the maximum memory you have assigned. Click Next. Here you have to select your virtual switch. If have not been created, you can select default switch. Click Next. Here you have to give the storage size you want to allocate. Click Next. Here you have to select the ISO files for installing the operating system. Click Next, then Finish. The virtual machine has been successfully created. Run the VM by double-clicking on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the operating system.